Yeah. Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to demo about how to install Notepad++, how to download and install into our Windows machine. Basically, Notepad++ is, we can say, advanced version to a Notepad which is available on our Windows machine. We have Notepad, which is like a very plain and basic. We cannot do much operations on this, but Notepad++ is advanced and it's a text editor or source code editor. We can use with Microsoft Windows and support tabbing editing and allow we can write some coding for it supports multiple technologies like Java, Python and C, so many technologies support. So it highlights the syntax and it will give the multiple tabs, so we can work parallel with multiple tabs and we can compare the tabs and we can do so many formatting things using a Notepad++. Yeah, let me go to installation part. Just search for Notepad++ in Google. You can search in any browser and go to the first link, which is official website notepad++.org/downloads. So clicking this one, it is taking to download part. So one thing here we can talk about is Notepad++. We can take as a downloader, means like as a installer we can do, or we can just download one of the zip file and we can unzip and we can use Notepad++ without installing. So I am showing how to do with the installation part. There are multiple versions available. Let me take the latest version. It has all the latest features, so it's better to take a latest one. Notepad++ 7.8.9. So here we can see installer zip package 7jet. So zip package is without installing we can use, and installer is it install into our program files. So there are different for 64-bit and 32-bit. Uh, go to 64-bit installer. Clicking installer, it will download into our machine. Yeah, exe file is downloaded into my local machine. Just clicking on this, it will start the installation wizard. It's very quick installation. Just we need to accept yes to allow into our machine. And yeah, it is asking for language. Yeah, keep English. And yeah, welcome to Notepad++ version 7.8.9. Yeah, agree the terms, license terms, and it's installing at C program files Notepad++. If you want, you can browse to other folders, but better to keep program files so all installations at one place. And space is 10 MB, 10.3 MB is required. Yeah, click on next. So here it's showing like what are all it is installing. You can keep the custom one or the minimal list. So custom one we can choose whatever. Choose next. Create a shortcut on desktop. Click on OK. Install. So finish. So installation part is completed. That's all to install. So this is a shortcut created at the desktop. We can see a few of the features see we talked about multiple tabs. We can write multiple tabs. Yeah, even if you close these tabs, even though we didn't save, this won't be erased. We can see later, like I closed this window and opening again. Yeah, so unsaved files also be preserved. Whatever we have done, that part will be preserved, so we can continue from that and we can save into wherever you want for saving, like a file save or save as. and we can see so many things like a language. Let's say if I want to use language as Java, so it will enable syntax for Java. If you want to use JSON or JSP, JavaScript, or if you want to use Python, or there are so many things. So those syntax will be uh, highlighted. Yeah, something like this. And so many formatting things we can do, like replacing things with the regular expression. We can or we can do cutting the files, so many things we can discuss in some other video about the features, but that's all for how to install Notepad++ into our Windows machine. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates.